Hello everyone, welcome to the Divine Kitchen. For making the lentil kebabs, we are using gram lentils here. I already soaked the lentil for 1 hour. We also need raw bananas, ginger, green chili. Green chilies are just optional. I already cut the bananas, breadcrumbs, corn flour, red chili, big cardamom, small cardamom, anise star, clove, nutmeg powder, black pepper, coriander powder, salt. We also need oil and water. For mango chutney, we need raw green mango. I already cut into the small pieces. Green chili, cilantro, asafoetida, cumin seeds, and salt. First, we have to cook soaked lentils. Put the lentils in the pan. Add the green chili. If you don't like spicy, don't add green chilies. Ginger, raw bananas, red chili, anise star, clove, both cardamoms, nutmeg powder, salt. Add water. Cover the pot and let it cook for 20 minutes in the medium heat. While lentil is cooking, we are going to make mango chutney. Add all the ingredients: mango, green chili, cumin seeds, asafoetida, cilantro in the blender. Add 1/8 cup of water. Blend until it is a smooth paste. Mango chutney is ready. Now check the lentils, it is cooked or not. Now I am pressing the lentils. It looks like it is not cooked. So we will cook again for 10 more minutes in the low heat. Now it has been 10 minutes. Our lentil is cooked. So it took almost half an hour. If you desire, you can cook in the pressure cooker or Instapot also. So while our lentil is cooling down, let's make the paste for the rolls. Take the wheat flour and all-purpose flour. Add salt, paprika, add the water. Mix nicely. We have to make very smooth paste. Our lentil is already cooled down. So just we are going to grind in the food processor. I'm using the pulse here. Now our lentil is done. Transfer into the bowl. Add the breadcrumbs, corn flour, coriander powder, black pepper, salt, cilantro, and 2 tablespoons of oil. Make the nice dough. Kebab dough is ready. Now it is time to make the kebabs. First we have to spread remaining breadcrumbs in the plate. Pour 2 drops of oil on your palms, so while making the kebab patties, they will not get stuck in your hand. After that, turn on the griddle. Right now I am using the electrical griddle. You can make the kebabs in the pan also. Spread 1 teaspoon of oil on the griddle and put the patties. The special thing in these kebabs, you can serve these kebabs individually with the mango chutney, and as well as you can make the kebab rolls also. Flip after 5 minutes. Pour 1 more teaspoon of oil on the top of kebabs and try to press the patties slowly. Flip again after 5 minutes. Kebabs are ready. For making the kebab rolls, spread 1 scoop of wheat flour batter into the griddle and spread slowly. Pour 2 drops of oil. Just wait for 2 to 3 minutes. Flip them 1 time. Let it cook 2 more minutes. Flip again. Spread the mango chutney. Then put 1 kebab, divide into 2 pieces and spread the kebabs and roll down. After that, you can pour some mango chutney again on the top of kebab rolls as well as ketchup, whatever you desire. Now kebab rolls are ready.